this is how extinct animals actually sound.
Okay.
Okay, firstly we have the Mosasaurus. It was
Wow.
alive during the Jurassic period.
So
And many people
scary.
believe this animal was a mixture between a shark and crocodile.
Wow.
But it went extinct around
Oh
66
my
million
God,
years
that
ago,
looks
and here's how it
scary.
actually sounded.
It looks so scary. That thing is bigger than a shark, and it's so scary to
that
sound.
was actually terrifying, but here we
Yeah.
have an animal that scientists are currently trying to bring back from extinction, the
Okay.
woolly mammoth. And once you hear what they sounded like, you will be shocked.
They get already look scary. What the hell is that sound?
Finally, this is a huge underwater dinosaur called the Thalassomedon, and its sound is absolutely chilling.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay, goodbye.